today's virtual program. My name is Samantha Brown and I'm one of the librarians at the Georgia T. Lord Library in Goodyear. And today we're going to be making this woven bookmark. So all you're going to need for this craft is some felt, some craft ribbon, and some scissors. You may also want a ruler and like a Sharpie where you're marking off your felt. But that's not necessary. So what we're going to do, I already have my piece of felt cut out here. So you're going to want your piece to be about 1.5 by 6 inches, so about the size of an average bookmark. And then once you have your felt cut, what you're going to do is you're going to fold it down the middle, longwise or hot dog style. And then holding that fold, you're going to take your scissors and about every 1/2 inch, you're going to go ahead and cut into the fold. And you want to leave about 1/4 inch on the other side, so don't cut all the way through. It should look something like that when you open it back up. So we're going to go ahead and do that along the length of the bookmark, about every 1/2 inch or so. Alright, so when you're finished cutting, you should have something that looks like this. So you can see there's a slit in the felt about every 1/2 inch that goes almost all the way across. You still have about 1/4 inch of felt there. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our ribbon. You can use whatever color you would like. And you're going to cut about a 20-inch piece of ribbon. And you can always trim it at the end, so if it's a little long, don't worry about it. You just want to make sure you have enough to weave all the way through. So then we're going to take our ribbon and you're going to weave it through the felt. So we'll start on this side. So we're going to go in and out, alternating the direction like that. All right, so our first side is done. You can see it looks a little something like that, where you go in front and then behind and in front and behind all the way down. So I'm going to go ahead and weave the other side, and you're going to start in the opposite direction. So you go behind and then in front, so on and so forth, all the way down. All right, so once you're finished weaving, it should look something like this. So then we're just going to pull this top loop to your preferred length. That's just for aesthetic more than anything. Okay, so I'm going to leave it right about there, and then you can see I have a bunch of extra ribbon at the bottom there. So I'm just going to trim that so that we don't have too much excess ribbon here. All right. So there you have it. You have your nice little custom bookmark. This is a great, easy craft. You can do it with your kids, you can do it with your book club, whatever you like. And then you have your own custom bookmark at the end. Thanks for watching.